Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Perfect Flakes. So today we have arrived at the fastest growing brand of our very own chef Sanjeev Kapoor, the Yellow Chili. While it's a very known popular name in our Indian industry, it is also an international chain of restaurants with over 25 outlets in India, 5 outlets in US, 1 in the UK, 1 in Canada and over 10 outlets in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. This fine dine restaurant is located at the Ashwati complex near Narmada shopping complex at Pipeline Road, Ambalamukka, Trivandrum. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for further updates and notifications. So without any further ado, let's just go inside and experience the pan-Indian delicacies in a fine dine restaurant, Yellow Chili. So as we all know, our very own chef Sanjeev Kapoor is really famous for his Indian delicacies and cooking recipes. So here we have around 88 books written by Sanjeev Kapoor available here to read in the Yellow Chili. So the interiors of Yellow Chili Restaurant Trivandrum is just so ravishing that they have taken care of the utmost detailing of everything. So here we have a caricature of our very own chef Sanjeev Kapoor and I think it's really amazing, guys. So in the Yellow Chili Restaurant Trivandrum, you will find a lot of places and spots where you can take selfies with your friends and family. So this is the prime selfie spot that you can see here behind me. So at every Yellow Chili restaurant, you will find their unique caricatures of the city they are located in. So since this restaurant is located in Trivandrum, we can find caricatures of our museum, Kaudya Palace and our very own famous temple, the Padmanabha Swami Temple. Thank you. So as I can see here, we have a large variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes, and the specialty is that most of these dishes are so unique in nature and you wouldn't find it anywhere else in Trivandrum city. So guys, as we all know, Yellow Chili Restaurant has a lot of North Indian delicacies with also Pan-India delicacies, but the most important specialty is that it has a lot of signature dishes of our very own master chef Sanjeev Kapoor. तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली सूप्स इतने सारे वेराइटीज़ है कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ मैं कौन सा ऑर्डर करूँ, तो आप ही सजेस्ट कर लीजिए कुछ यहाँ का स्पेशल हो तो। हाँ, कौन सा? टोमेटो बेसिल शोरबा। अच्छा, संजीव कपूर का यहाँ पे सिग्नेचर है, ठीक है, तो वही कर दीजिए। विल स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द टोमेटो बेसिल शोरबा एंड दैट्स अ सूप एंड इट्स रिटन लाइक देसी मीट्स विदेसी, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दैट. आई गेस आई विल ऑर्डर दैट. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. So this is a really fine soup made with fine tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes, and I would say like it is really tangy, and it also has a bit of minty taste, like a bit of herbs and curry leaves topped with it. So it gives a little tangy and minty flavor to it, and I think it's really nice if you want to have a light soup here.
papaya plantation.
Ah, looks nice. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Oh, that looks delicious. What is this?
This is Peru piano.
Peru Pyala.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So it's a mocktail.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So here we have the raw papaya cucumber, that is the papaya peanut cucumber, and it's a salad and it's pure vegetarian, and they have used raw papayas in it. And also we have a mocktail over here that has guava juice, lemon juice, and a hint of mint leaves, and it is also served with a red chili rimmed glass. So I guess that's really exciting. Cheers. It's just amazing, guys. I think you really need to try this because this is the signature mocktail of Yellow Chili restaurant. So guys, we have 3 sets of starters here and they look so delicious. I mean, before we get into the dishes, let's just admire the way it's been presented. I don't think anywhere else in Trivandrum we have such great and colorful presentation of starters, and I think that's really tempting to look at. So we have 3 sets of starters here. Let's get started with the vegetarian starters. So this is the first veg starter that we have here, and this is called Shabnam Ke Moti, and this is our signature Sanjeev Kapoor dish, that is Goli Dahi Vada shots. And then we have our non-veg starter over here, that is cheese chili chicken tikka. So let's just dig in because all of them look really tempting, and let's have a look whether they taste as good as it looks. Amazing, guys. This is just dewdrops of heaven, I tell you. It's so amazing, especially for vegetarians. I don't think you'll get such delicious vegetarian starters anywhere else in Trivandrum, because each time I go out with my friends, they are always stuck with paneer and paneer and paneer. This is something really different and a must try. You can see the mushrooms here, and each mushroom, they are button mushrooms actually, and they just taste really delicious. So let's just try the non-veg part of it that we have here. It's the cheese chili tikka. So the specialty about Yellow Chili Trivandrum is that they serve only boneless chicken. It's just tasting amazing, guys. Just imagine like dollops of chicken, boneless chicken, topped with cheese, and it's like literally garnished with capsicum and dhania, a bit of dhania. How delicious it would taste. You really need to come and check it out for yourself. So guys, here we have our Goli Dahi Vada shots, and it is the signature dish of Sanjeev Kapoor, and I really love the presentation, how they have served it in vodka shots. Let's just dig in, and I'm gonna take my first one. So I can see khatti meethi chutney, dhania chutney, mint chutney from the outside, and it's also topped with red chili powder, chaat masala, and pomegranates. So I think 10 on 10 for presentation. So let's just see how it tastes like. Yeah. Guys, it just tastes like little drops of heaven. Have used sweetened yogurt, and I think that just tastes really amazing with the chutneys and the masalas, and everything is just so perfect. And also the topped pomegranates really adds a little bit of sweet taste to it, and it's really amazing. I think this is like the signature dish of Yellow Chili, and this is the best dish ever because dahi vadas are my favorite. So guys, we are gonna start with our main course, and I think it looks really like as if we are gonna stuff hard today. So getting started, here we have a rice item, which is a dum gosht biryani. So as we said, all of the meat served here is exquisitely boneless. They serve only boneless meat. Okay, so we have a dal item over here, which is the lalla masa dal, and this is believed to be cooked overnight with spices. So I'm really excited to try this one. And the next one we have over here, we get it only in Yellow Chili Trivandrum. Trivandrum. It is Punjabiyo da shaan hai ye dish, and this is sarson da saag. So usually this is paired up with makki di roti. So this is really famous in Punjab and upper northern parts of India. So they pair it up with sarson da saag and makki di roti is the ideal combination for winters. And during winters, like this is when it gets available over there. So I guess it's really amazing that it's available in the south of India, in Kerala, in Yellow Chili Trivandrum. So this is a must try, guys. It's a Punjabi dish. So the next dish we have over here is the Nalli Rogan Josh, which is really a popular mutton curry of the Yellow Chili Trivandrum, and it has 4 pieces of mutton and 1 piece of nalli. So like mutton lovers really need to try this, guys. So the next dish we have here is a chicken curry dish that is called the Tariwala Murg, and it is like roasted chicken pieces in gravy that is as smooth as butter. So all the chicken lovers can go for this dish since it is a signature chicken dish of the Yellow Chili Trivandrum. So guys, this is like really special in its own way, because this dish, that is the Sham Savera, was actually the first dish prepared by Master Sanjeev Kapoor in its own show, Khana Khazana, that we used to watch on TV. All of us are really like familiar with that show, Khana Khazana, that ran over 2 decades. So this was the first dish that was prepared by Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. So this is a must try, guys. So guys, along with my main course, I've also ordered a fresh watermelon juice that's called the Tarbuza. So guys, I'm gonna try this one by one, and it looks really appetizing. First, I'm trying the dal. It tastes like the dal makhni, just like my mother makes at home. So it is retained all its flavor, guys. I don't think itna authentic khana, itna authentic dal makhni हमें Trivandrum में मिलेगा. So all the North Indians out there, even the South Indians who want to try the North Indian delicacies, come here to Yellow Chili Trivandrum. मेरा recommendation है, you wouldn't go like disappointed. I'm really excited to try the saag, guys, because ये तो घर पे भी नहीं मिलता. I don't know how they actually acquire all the ingredients to make saag here in Yellow Chili. असली साग दा खुशबू. ये जो साग होता है ना, यूजुअली हम विंटर्स में खाते हैं, और अभी यहाँ पे विंटर नहीं है, बट फिर भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्वादिष्ट बना है खाना, बहुत ही सही. ऐसे लग रहा है कि संजीव कपूर ही मतलब किचन में बैठ के ये सब खाना बना रहे हैं, उतना ऑथेंटिक लग रहा है. हियर वी हैव द मटन करी. आई एम यूजुअली नॉट दैट बिग फैन ऑफ मटन, बट दिस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी टेस्टी. एंड इसका तो मतलब बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ द ग्रेवी. द ग्रेवी इज़ लाइक really prepared well, and it's like a bit spicy. I think both the chicken and the mutton are really prepared well, and the best part about the chicken and the mutton is the gravy. So I know many other restaurants that have really good chicken curry and mutton curry, but this gravy is a bit unique, because I guess the spices used here are basically imported. So the spices that we get in other restaurants, it majorly differs in taste and flavor. So next I'm gonna dig into the paneer. So the paneer has this thick, rich tomato gravy that really isn't contrasting to all the dishes I tried till now. And also the paneer koftas, guys. I mean, I've never seen such a thing before. It looks really unique. And ये तो संजीव कपूर का पहला डिश था, तो ये तो ट्राई करना ही पड़ेगा. It is like really soft, and it's dipped in palak, so you can also get the palak taste. Like as you can see, the cottage cheese inside, it is outlined with a bit of palak as well. So it's made of palak and paneer, and it's like koftas dipped in this tomato gravy. So everything has a unique taste of its own, the palak, the paneer, and also the gravy. So yeah, this is one of the must try dishes, guys. We are going to move on to our desserts, and I have two exquisite desserts over here. And this is the signature dish of Yellow Chili Trivandrum, and this is Gulab-e-Gulkand. So this is actually gulab jamun that is stuffed with gulkand. So gulkand is made from rose petals actually. So you can see how they have really fancily garnished it with rose petals, and we have a bit of pista as well. So I'm really excited to try this dish because it's unique at Yellow Chili Trivandrum. And then we have a dark chocolate brownie fudge. So yeah, let's just get started. I think I'll start with the Gulab-e-Gulkand. I don't have much of a sweet tooth, guys, but I think this is gonna be delicious. It's too rich and heavy, guys. It's just too rich and heavy. It has gulkand completely stuffed into gulab jamun, and actually I can see the layering inside, how they have stuffed it. They have stuffed the gulab jamun with gulkand. So I hope you can see it there. And बहुत ही yummy है guys, like दिल्ली की याद दिला दी. So next we have over here is the dark chocolate brownie fudge, and they have also garnished it with wafers. So I'm a big chocolate lover. I really have my cravings at times for chocolate, though I don't have a sweet tooth all the time. But yeah, I mean, if it has to do something with dessert, it has to be chocolate. So, and they have also dipped it in chocolate sauce. So I guess that's the exciting part. Also, the wafers. I mean, basically in Yellow Chili, it's all about presentation and taste mixed together, and that's what it takes to, have a really, really exquisite meal that is appetizing to the eyes as well as the tongue. So guys, as you saw, we had a really exquisite dinner at the Yellow Chili. So this location is primarily situated next to the Narmada complex. So it has ample parking space, and also it is wheelchair friendly. And also when you arrive here, you could always speak to the owners of Yellow Chili. They are 100% available here 24/7 to receive you and also greet you with great hospitality service. So that's what I really like about this restaurant. You can always celebrate family occasions and also birthdays, and complimentary cake will be provided along with the music. So here it's an really good place to have your birthday celebrations. And also they provide economic lunch boxes that could be delivered to the event location, and also they have home delivery of the food that has the same quality and quantity that will be delivered to your doorstep. And also they have an ongoing selfie contest. You could always send your selfie clicked here at the Yellow Chili to the number displayed in the screen below. So you can take part in the selfie contest, and your picture will be also featured in their Facebook page Yellow Chili. 3 winners of the selfie contest will get to win a dine-in voucher of rupees 2021 each. So the winners will be declared on March 1st. So better participate in the selfie contest as soon as possible. And also please do visit this restaurant to have exquisite North Indian, Pan-Indian delicacies. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you keep getting further updates. So thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.